how to turn on sync Facebook friends on your TikTok account. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok, then open it. As you know, when you open TikTok, home will open automatically. You will just go down to profile, and then when your profile is opening, you will just go here to this three line and click. Then go to settings and privacy, and then go to privacy. Then go to sync contacts and Facebook friends and click sync Facebook friends and click OK. And that's it. You have to open your Facebook. That's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel.